So we've had these marinating overnight in the fridge, all spiced up and ready to go. Absorb those nice flavors. I do have this sauce recipe on my channel as well. Be sure to check that one out. I was under a little bit more pressure this time because I'm cooking for my niece's birthday and there are a lot of allergies over there. So I tell you what, right now I was cooking with fear in preparing everything, but I think we made it. It's a matter of taking a lot of extra care. I'm taking all precautions that I know that I can, I believe. So I think we're gonna see some delicious ribs today. So I'm saucing these up a little bit before they go in the oven. I may need to wash my hands so I can get a little bit more sauce. That means I've got to change spoons. That's okay. Okay, so we're set on the back. So set those guys over there for a second. I am looking for the biggest racks that I can place on the bottom. That's good. We've got those three guys spaced out nicely. Let's check. That'll fit, so that's good. Okay, so we'll go here, we'll go here, we'll go here. There we go, made it. So that's how they're gonna fit, okay? Now that we know they fit, which order they go in, we're gonna add on our sauce to the top. I might be able to make it with what I've got. Oh, I have nowhere near enough. So much spice and flavor on these ribs, it's gonna be spectacular. Sauced up. Made it. All set to go. Freaking adventure on that foil wrap. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Ribs are done from the oven. I've got to leave for that birthday party in 12 minutes, so they're not going to have too much time to rest. I'm going to move them from this tray into my transporter, load up the barbecue sauce, my own pots and pans as utensils, because I'm not sure what's going to be available for me, so it's better to be prepared. That way I can finish them up properly when I get there. All right, here comes the moment of truth. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Start from there. Watch out for the steam. Oh, yeah. Oh, smell those up. Oh, those smell so good. But I need to try one. I'll try a small one. Oh, I cut right into a bone. Darn it. I need better aim than that. Oh, yeah, this is so hot. Oh my gosh, that's so hot right there. Gotta test them before I go to make sure. Oh, they're so hot. Anyways, hot. Oh! Woo! Boom! You gotta get sauced up to finish them off. Those are great.